Hi everyone, in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I make a chicken biryani. So I've chopped off a lot of the ingredients already. So I've got onions, garlic and ginger, and I've got my spices here as well. So I've got cardamom, cloves, I've got some cumin in there and a cinnamon stick. And really important thing to start with is to fry off your onions really well, slow if you can, with ghee. Now ghee is the best thing ever. It really makes a difference using ghee. It just adds such a lovely buttery flavour to the onions, so I would recommend it highly. So I soaked the rice as well to remove the impurities and to give it more fluffy texture when it's cooked. We've got some saffron and some almond milk. I don't use dairy full fat milk, but if you can use, that's fine. So we've got our onions, they're lovely and cooked and golden, so we set those aside. Next we want to brown the chicken, so I've taken some chicken legs I'm using today. You can marinate it if you want for a couple of hours before. Once the chicken is seared and brown, you add in all your spices and your garlic and your ginger, and I've added in some yogurt as well at the same time. Again, I've used coconut yogurt, but you can use dairy yogurt, that's fine. Give it all a good mix and let it cook in that yogurt for a little bit. Then you want to add in half of those onions back into the pan. And then what you want to do is you want to top it up with water and just let that cook. So I've kind of cooked the rice, so it's still a bit al dente. It's not fully cooked because it's going to cook again in the biryani. So I'm just going to put that on a baking tray and leave that to dry. If you want, my mum used to do it, was she used to run cold water as well through the rice to stop the cooking process. So once the chicken is cooked, I'll take the chicken out of that cooking liquor and then I'm going to strain it through. So we've got that lovely chicken stock almost. So we're going to reintroduce back into the biryani when it's cooking together. So this is the pan that I'm going to use to make the biryani. So it's quite a big dish and it's got a cover to cover as well. So I've put the chicken in, reintroduce that chicken stock back into the pan, add the spices, add over the saffron milk as well. And then I'm going to lay it over with the rice. At this point you could have added potatoes if you wanted potatoes in there, or any other veg, that's fine. But I've added the rice, and then I love having peas in my biryani, so I've done peas on top as well. And then add a bit more of that saffron milk on top. So this is a technique that I don't normally use for biryani, but I've made a dough, like a roti dough, and I've just whipped it around the dish so no steam can escape when it's cooking. So I left that to cook on the hob slowly, and then when you're ready to eat, you can take the dough off the sides of the pan and unveil the glorious biryani you have created. So gently mix up the rice now, so from the bottom to the top. It smells amazing, got flavours of saffron in there, the cardamom, the cloves, it smells divine. You can see as well the chicken is super tender and it's literally falling off the bone. You can serve it in the middle of the whole table and just dish out the biryani for everyone with a pickle and chutneys, a lovely salad with tomatoes in it and some chilli and coriander and onion. It will go really well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.